Students of class 7th. Student, today we have a new chapter, chapter 6, QBasic creating graphics. Means as you have something studied about in previous chapter, what is a QBasic and why do we create a program in QBasic. So okay, today I will tell you something about the what is a QBasic and why we use here the QBasic. So I think previous chapter you studied about the conditional statement and looping. Here basic program in QBasic is that in which each and every step is followed and executed by a computer. And let us uh, write some programs where all the statements are not executed. The only some of the statement are executed based upon the satisfaction of the condition given in the program. So it means you studied about the looping statement and understood something about what is a QBasic and what is the work of the QBasic. The looping, and that was the iteration chapter which you want to do work again and again. So we use the loop statement. But if we talk about the graphics here, it means we can used to draw, means QBasic can be used to draw figures and diagrams. First of all, you should know the full form of the QBasic, that is a quick beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. This is a full form of QBasic, and you can understand by the name that this language is for the beginner, means who doesn't know about the program, computer program. Such a person can start to learn by using the QBasic program. The student, we can draw different shapes such as line, square, circle, and so on. You can also fill in different colors in these shapes. The computer screen is made up of hundreds of picture elements, like a very small dot, that is called the pixels. Pixels is such a point on the screen by which we can, by the combination of these pixels, we can make a picture, we can make a any drawing. So we can say here there are a several number of the pixels in any picture. Suppose if you are drawing anything like in MS Paint, so it means you are using such a many pixel to draw the line or images. So first of all, we should know the number of pixel horizontally and vertically determines the resolution of the monitor. The resolution, you know what is a resolution? The resolution is a, here we can say number of the pixel, means we can estimate here the pixel by using the resolution. Suppose any images has a more resolution, means high resolution, means that picture quality would be a better and clear. It means it depends about the pixels and the combination of the pixel, it makes the resolution. So higher resolution means better is the quality of the picture display. So now let's hear about talk using graphics, and now we find in this category two mode, text mode and graphics mode. The QBasic has two mode, text mode and graphics mode. The text mode is used to display text on the screen. The graphics mode is used to display both text and graphics on the computer screen. A computer screen is divided into two rows into 25 rows horizontal and 80 columns verticals. The two left corner of the screen is addressed as a 1 by 1. Means you can say here when you draw, suppose I draw something on the screen here. When I draw something here, and when we start to draw our drawing, so we start from the corner, as you seen here. When I draw, once again you can see, when I draw this screen, the first we point out here and then we drag. So from starting of the pixel, from a starting of the point where I draw this line, where I am drawing this square, so that is a starting point, and that will be as a 1.1, which means first column and first row. First column, first row means you can say ki first column, this will be here starting of the first rows and first column. It means here ki the bottom right corner of the screen is addressed as a bottom right. Here bottom right corner, this is bottom right corner of the screen is addressed as 80 by 25, which means 80th column and 25th row. So as like you have seen something in MS Excel. MS Excel means spreadsheet. It is divided also in a row and column, and starting from the one row and one, I mean a column and one row. So that's why we say here A1. The same like here in the starting of the picture, when we draw the any images on the screen, so we here understand about the horizontal means rows and vertical is a column. So when you start QBasic, by default the program uses text mode. This here when you start your program, your QBasic, the program uses first text mode. In order to draw graphics, the screen mode has to be changed to the graphics mode. So now let's talk about here the screen command, that is a screen statement. The screen statement, let's here talk about the screen statement. The screen command is used to change to the different screen modes available in QBasic. As we can find the syntax also screen, as we can, as I'm writing here the syntax of the screen. Syntax, first we write here screen as a first I write here screen, and then here we write as a mode. Okay student, we write here as a mode. So it means this is the syntax of writing. In syntax, as you know, the way of writing the or the way of writing the rules, you can say it is the rules. And how can we write here? So this way we use here such a screen mode as you use for drawing the images, drawing the pictures. So like here there are many modes, there are the many number of the screen as we can find here, as you can see on the screen mode number. So as a screen 0, screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4. So we find like this many screen number as it is given in the book. एंड यू फाइंड द रेजोल्यूशन विद दैट कि भाई कलर कोड है 0 तो उसका क्या कलर नेम होगा ब्लैक। अगर मान लो कलर 1 है तो वो ब्लू होगा, कलर 2 है तो ग्रीन है, कलर 3 है तो कैन है, कलर 4 है तो रेड है, एंड कलर 5 इज़ ए मैजेंटा कलर। कलर 6 नेम आई मीन कलर कोड 6 तो दैट विल बी येलो, कलर 7 इट इज़ अ वाइट। तो इट मीन्स approximately 15 I mean 16 color it supports, 16 color, 16 color it supports. And you can say screen mode supports till 0 to 13, and every here the resolution with that mode, if there will be screen 0 to screen 0 text mode, if screen 1 to graphics mode means graphics mode, and it supports the 320 into 200 pixel. What 3 3 here 320 into 200 pixels, it is related with the screen 1 as I am telling to screen 1 here. अगर हम screen 2 की बात करें तो then it is also graphics mode 0 only, it is a text for okay screen 0. If we talk about here the screen 0 na, so this only support only the text mode. If you want to write then it supports here the text mode 0, but screen 1 it supports the graphics mode and it has the resolution 320 by 200, like this screen 2 640 by 200, screen 7 if we talk about here then it supports graphics mode 320 to 200 pixels. Like this the color statement we should know here, as I told you in the meeting कि color statement how can we use the color statement. तो color statement you can say it is a syntax of the color. So first we write here COLOR okay color, and then you write the parameter means you write the number 2 3 4 5. It has also the color code okay, as like 0 black, 1 for blue, 2 for green, 3 for cyan, 4 for red, 5 for magenta, 6 for yellow, 7 for white, as I told you na earlier. And code color like you have to learn this okay. So color here 0 will be black, it is a default color of the QBasic output. अगर हम बात करें 1 की तो this will support the color blue. If we talk about the 2 so it will support the green okay green. So this way we say कि here a color code you have to learn, you have to understand. So now as we understand कि there are two, as a you if you study about in your book you find there are two as a set of the screen as a what color parameter front I mean foreground, that is a foreground, and this is the B, that is a background. So when you color set the color like this COLOR, and first color you give the parameter whatever जो भी आप देना चाहो, जैसे मैं यहाँ पे कलर का दे रहा हूँ कि जो भाई फोरग्राउंड हो वो हो हमारा 5, यानी 5 कौन सा है यहाँ पे मजेंटा कलर, और फिर उसके बाद कॉमा लगाकर हमने ये लगाया कि भाई उसका बैकग्राउंड किस कलर का हो, तो हमने लगा दिया यहाँ पर 2, तो अब हो गया क्या ग्रीन। तो इसका मतलब है कि उसका फोरग्राउंड जो है वो मजेंटा कलर है और उसका जो बैकग्राउंड होगा वो क्या होगा ग्रीन कलर। तो इसका मतलब है F फॉर फोरग्राउंड मीन्स दिस शोज हियर फोरग्राउंड and this shows the background. So when you set the color so automatically first will be set for the foreground and second for the background. It means here कि you should know all these things properly, that's why you then you can create a graphics, understand। तो पहले हम लोग ये समझेंगे कि अभी फोरग्राउंड और बैकग्राउंड क्या होता है। तो चलो यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है पिक्चर, you can see picture on the screen here, so you can here, see here ki this is the blue color, means you can see here na the blue color it is a, and this is written in a white color. तो blue color it is a background of the written text, और टेक्स्ट कहाँ पर है, फोरग्राउंड पर है, यानी बैकग्राउंड के ऊपर है. तो वी कैन से हियर कि बैकग्राउंड इट इज़ इन अ ब्लू कलर एंड फोरग्राउंड इट इज़ इन अ वाइट कलर. तो दिस वे वी कलर सेट द कलर ऑफ द टेक्स्ट इन क्यू बेसिक. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो as a color command I told you, a color command is used to define the background and foreground colors for the graphics. if you want to if you want to design any graphics, so then you have to under these things properly and thoroughly. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो अब हम एक छोटा सा प्रोग्राम राइट करेंगे, ओके, यूजिंग द फोरग्राउंड एंड बैकग्राउंड कलर. Student, here we take the whiteboard on the screen, and now as I am going to write to make you understand about how can we write the program related to color here as a two color. If you want to set on the screen of QBasic, the two color we use here as a given the example. First we write here CLS, it is for the clear screen of the previous output, and next we write here the color COLOR. okay, and then we write here the parameter means which screen you want to support with the color here. Suppose we want to set here the foreground here and background. As I told you, foreground suppose you want to set as a green or red. Okay, now red as a for the 4, and 4 will be for your foreground, and background for we take the yellow is a for the 6. okay, as we written here. And then we want to print, to print statement we use here print, print statement. And then we write here whatever you want to print, like a school you want to print this way. And now we close this statement school with a double inverted comma. okay, and then if you want to write to text, so we write again the print here. okay, so this way when you write here like a print, 4 will be the background, I mean foreground, and 6 will be as a background. The 4 for the red color would be the your background, and 6 will be for your text, yani school will show in a sorry yellow color. 6 it is a yellow color, and 4 it is a red color which will be applied in the background foreground of the QBasic. So student, as I told you today about this programming, next in my next video I will tell you more about the QBasic as we use the QB64 software for creating program in the QBasic. The student, thank you for watching this video.